Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world.
They don't sit in cabinet. They don't run TV stations. Yet with one upload, they can shake a country. They raise millions. They destroy reputations. They set national conversations. These are not just content creators. These are power players. Today on CCN World TV News, we reveal the real kings and queens of Jamaican YouTube. This is a power list revealed. Welcome back to CCN World TV News, where we go beyond views and expose real influence. This list is not about popularity. It is about who controls loyalty, attention, money, and action in real Jamaica. Number 1. Colaz Smith TV, the community commander. When Colaz Smith speak, communities move. From feeding thousands to hurricane relief and direct financial support, donations flow in minutes. Volunteers show up in hours. Entire towns respond. This is not influence. This is command power. No creator in Jamaica mobilizes real-world action at Colaz Smith scale. That's why he stands firmly at number 1. Number 2. Anty Donna, the people's voice. Anty Donna represents the raw voice of the street. Taxi drivers, vendors, mothers, youth, they all listen. She turns ignored stories into national pressure. When Anty Donna speaks, systems feel it. That is people power. Number 3. The Fix. Pop culture gatekeepers. The Fix controls Jamaican entertainment temperature. Artists watch, labels monitor, fans obey the clips. One interview can revive a career or sink it deeper into controversy. That's not media. That's entertainment authority. Number 4. Dutty Berry. The shockwave effect. Dutty Berry thrives on impact. When he posts, group chats explode, clashes start, and debates trend for days. Love him or hate him, you still click. That is traffic power. Number 5. Quiet Perry, the strategic influencer. Quiet Perry doesn't chase noise. He shapes thought. His audience doesn't just react emotionally. They analyze. He influences how Jamaicans think, and controlling thought is deep power. Number 6. Odetta Rockhead-Kerr, the corporate digital power. Odetta represents silent but deadly influence. Boardroom digital power. Behind campaigns, brand repairs, and online image shifts are minds like hers. She doesn't trend loudly. She directs quietly. Number 7. Tanania, the Diaspora connector. Tanania links Jamaica to the world. Her reach extends into diaspora markets, foreign brands, and global audiences. She shapes how international viewers see Jamaica. That is global digital power. Number 8. Meet the Mitchells, the family empire. Meet the Mitchells built one of Jamaica's most trusted family brands. Youth parents and diaspora follow their lifestyle daily for authentic content. They influence how families spend, live, and think. That's household power. Number 9. Jaii Frais, the podcast powerhouse. Jaii Frais controls the conversation economically. His podcast clips travel everywhere. Guests go viral. Soundbites dominate timelines. That's not content creation. That's narrative control. Number 10. Drizzy Burke, the digital business mind. Drizzy Burke represents monetization power. Brand deals, online businesses, digital marketing influence. He teaches audiences how to turn views into revenue. That's not just influence. That's financial digital power. Number 11. Alicia Kim, the brand queen. Alicia Kim dominates in brand identity and youth culture influence. Fashion, beauty, lifestyle, endorsements. Her audience moves with her taste. When Alicia shifts, brands shift. That's trend setting power. Number 12. Meet the Powells. The Powells, a lifestyle loyalty beef. The Powells represent consistency, values, and faith-based loyalty. They don't chase controversy, they build deep family trust. And loyalty is the most stable form of digital power. These creators now reach more Jamaicans than many TV stations. They move opinion faster than newspapers. They mobilize help faster than some government system. Jamaican YouTube is no longer entertainment. It is politics, business, social power. So now we ask you, who really rules Jamaican YouTube and who should be on the next power list? Drop your pick in the comments. Like this video if you believe YouTubers now rival traditional media. Subscribe to CCN World TV News because we don't just follow power, we reveal it.